Thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be cleaning up this hutch and decorating it for summer. I decided to go with the lemon and the beachy theme for this hutch. I know it sounds weird to mix the two together, but I did this last year and you guys seem to love it. So I'm just going to quickly show you what it looks like right now before I take everything out of it. I do have like greenery in here and my milk glass and some plates and stuff, but for the most part I didn't really have this hutch decorated. I did do a spring decorate with me video a while back and it looked completely different than what it looks right now, but I've been moving stuff around in my house so much lately and I've just kind of set things in here not in a particular way. So today I'm going to take everything out and redecorate it for summer.
I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops.
So I wanted to quickly show you what I use to clean with, and I use these all the time on my granite, dusting my furniture. I've used these on everything and they work amazing. So what I do is I buy a pack of 10 of these at Walmart, and what they are is they are just flour sack towels, and I think they come in packs of 5 and packs of 10. I think I buy the pack of 10, and then after I wash them I just cut them up in quarters and use those as cleaning rags, and they work perfectly. And today I'm going to clean this hutch with this cleaner, and it is a wood cleaner and it is by 7th Generation, and I believe it's a lemon leaf scent. It smells really fresh and very clean, and I know that this is like a painted wood and I'm using a wood cleaner. But I really don't like to use this wood cleaner on my regular wood. It does leave streaks, but I do love the way it smells and it does clean pretty well. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time today, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I truly hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I do a ton of decorating and cleaning here, and if you would like more, I would love it if you followed me on my Instagram as well. I will go ahead and leave the handle right here on the screen, and I post pretty much daily. You'll get to see behind the scenes from my videos and just little bits of my everyday life. So if that is something you are interested in, I would love if you followed me right here on YouTube and on Instagram.
Spring's coming, it starts to show.
So I did get quite a few questions about some items that I used in my last 2 videos when I decorated for summer, and one of them is these rope balls here. I purchased those at Target in the dollar spot, as well as that really pretty bottle. And then I did get questions about these lemon plates, and I purchased those at Home Goods. And what I'm doing is just propping a teacup right behind it so it kind of sits upright, if you're wondering what I was placing behind there. But I'm just going to add a few more seashells to this, and then I'm going to add a rustic looking milk glass jug right in the middle to give it that farmhouse look, and I purchased that at Hobby Lobby. really wanted to add lemons to this little scale here, and I didn't have enough to really fill it completely, so what I did was I took some plastic bags and then I covered it up with a fancy looking doily, and then I just placed the lemons right on top of there, and it just kind of helped fill in that otherwise empty space that you would have, and it just made everything look cute, and I really liked the way the doily hung over. I thought it looked really pretty, and it gave it that vintage look. So the last thing that I'm going to do is just add some pops of green right here, and I used some fern that I purchased at Hobby Lobby last year. And then if you're wondering about that beach little oar there that you see, or paddle, I don't know exactly what you call it, I purchased that at Target, and that was in the dollar spot as well last year.
Think about me, because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. So lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright, but I knew it would not be easy spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops.
I had so much fun decorating my kitchen for summer this year. If you guys missed my last video, I will go ahead and leave a card right here. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in my next one. Bye!